How to earn more coins on Temu. So if you want to earn more coins on Temu, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Temu application, or you can also go with your browser. Once you're on your Temu, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon, which will be at the top right corner or the bottom right corner. Then you need to scroll down and you will have an option of profile. You need to tap on profile and then you'll find earn credits and free gifts. You can tap on it. After that, you'll find many free gift options available there. You can click on continue to redeem cash and access more coin offers. You can earn coins by referring a friend to Temu. Simply tap refer one friend and share your referral link through your social media accounts. When your friend clicks the link and signs up, you'll receive a reward and get a chance to spin the wheel to earn extra coins. Once you've collected coins, you can redeem them for credits. Repeat the process by referring more friends, spinning the wheel, and earning additional credits. Keep the cycle going to continue collecting coins and rewards. That's how you can get more coins on Temu. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.